What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I want to show you how to get a really good clean on fabric. Hey, my buddy Steve Gutka runs an auto detailing business, and he kind of turned me on to this little technique. Now, one of the things that I've never really had are interior detailing brushes, and I picked these up. I will put links to both the detailing brushes and the spray in the description below. But you get 4 of these brushes, and so they're pretty inexpensive. I'll take the big one here so you can see. Wooden handle with a hole in it, and then the brush here is all encased in plastic, but not anymore. Kind of a plastic holder right here, and then we have some really nice bristles. This kind of looks like a natural hair to me. I don't know, like a horse hair maybe or something. And then we have obviously 4 more going down to different sizes. So, oh, looks like I might be able to just pull them off that way. No, kind of not. So there we go. And so you can get into different crevices, and like I said, it's not overly stiff, but it'll give you a nice scrubbing action. I also picked up this Aero Cosmetics, and this is an interior cleaner, carpet, seats, vinyl, leather. And what I really wanted to use this was on fabric, and I want to show you. I'm not going to actually use it in a car, but I want to grab my headphones here, these Bale Play Bang & Olufsen ones that I really like. May not be the easiest thing in the world to see, but because I've been using these, we get a little grime into the fabric up here. You know, just where you sweat or hairspray or whatever. It's not super obvious, and it doesn't really look that bad. But one of the things that I wanted to do was try using this to agitate in here and then clean them up a little bit. So the technique that he showed me is you grab your brush and you grab the cleaner and you spray it actually into the brush itself. Just like this. And now what I can do is use the brush with the cleaning solution to agitate in the cloth. And sometimes it'll lather up a little bit too. And what you want to do is never work on an area bigger than you can quickly dab off. So I'm just gonna try to get that in there a little bit. Do it again. And get into the fabric. And you almost need this brush to kind of get in there and work it and scrub it a little bit. Otherwise, just not sure how you do it. So now that I've done that a little bit on this side, I'm gonna take my microfiber and kind of dry it off here. And we'll see, does it make a difference? Well, it's a little wet, so that might be a little hard to see, but this definitely looks brighter now. And then if I look at this side where I haven't done it yet, it still looks a little dingy. I can see kind of the brown. I will tell you what, it's gonna be a little hard to see here, and until I let this dry, the results aren't gonna be that obvious. But I will tell you what, having this brush and kind of working it in here definitely makes this a lot easier, especially when you have like this textured cloth. So if you're doing seats or cloth or fabric or headliners or sun visors, anything like that, I think you need a set of these. And this interior cleaner seems to work pretty well. So I'm gonna finish this up and then go listen to my jams. If you wanna pick up brushes or the cleaner, I'll put links to everything in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.